hurting our nature, our environment, the best way to recycle them is to cut them into little pieces. So, how this theme is linking to our project? Do you know? Okay, let me tell you. Science. We are exploring science everywhere, as you can see. Where we are using technology. Okay, let me tell you. Technology. We are using the mechanical components like motor, DC motor, the button and solar panel. So that are mechanical components that are including in technology. Where we are using engineering. Okay, let me tell you. All the parts we are getting assemble it and we build the components together that are including in engineering. Now, abhi I will tell arts and maths. Let me explain arts and maths. Arts. Our goal was to build an eco-friendly and a user-friendly device. So now, last thing, maths. Maths. Calculate the efficiency and energy of the system and see how much energy will it take to operate the system. So, please come and define SDGs goal number, how they are linking. The United Nations 17th Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are global call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all. We have used SDGs goal number 7 and goal number 12 in our solar vision project. Goal number 7, affordable and clean energy, means ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Regarding affordable and clean energy, we are progressing in the right direction. The share of renewable energy is growing and energy efficiency is improving. Now moving on to goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. Ensure sustainable consumption patterns. How do paper shredders relate? It reduces waste by facilitating paper recycling. How does the paper shredder machine help our environment?
I would like to describe saves energy. Regenerating paper not only saves space but also energy. Using old paper to make new paper uses 65% less energy than making paper from trees. Every ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, and 7,000 gallons of water. The sustainable approach, shredding recycling, not only reduces the need for new raw materials but also minimize the energy used in paper production.
Now please, we come to explain the materials. Let me tell you the components we had used in this project. We had used a 6-volt solar panel, a 6-volt battery, a DC motor, and we had used recycled materials. We had used metal bottle caps using as blades and disturgent shafts that are inside the box. So now, Avira, please come and let's get to the working of our project. Now, as you can see, the paper is shredded. But it is not properly shredded. Why? Because instead of real sharp blades, we have used bottle caps. We recycled the blades. But inshallah, in the future, we will use the real blades. So, how does this help people and the government? Like that. So, when you see when a government needs to get rid of a document because they don't need it without getting the information leaked, they can just shred the paper. It's a safe way. And if you want to get rid of any personal property, you can just shred the paper. It's safe.